What happens to your body with creatine? One of the most studied and popular supplements for muscle growth in the bodybuilding community is creatine. Your muscles get their energy from creatine. To increase strength and support brain health, many people take creatine supplements. As a result, if taken within reasonable bounds, it is considered safe. Your skeletal muscles can flex with the support of creatine, a natural energy source that helps your muscles maintain a constant flow of energy, particularly during exercise. Supplementing with creatine is common among athletes. Athletes are also permitted to utilize creatine supplements by professional sports organizations. Men and women experience benefits to using creatine. Let's discover what those are. 1. Speed up the healing of muscles. Your muscle fibers sustain tiny tears while you work out. Your muscles become stronger as the micro tears in your muscle fibers mend during your recuperation. Your muscles' satellite cells, which aid in the healing of the micro tears, are activated by creatine. 2. Increase muscle strength. The muscles get stronger and more capable of managing larger weights when the resistance or load lifted during exercises is gradually increased. Overall strength and functional ability significantly increase as a result. 3. Preventing injuries. Exercises that gradually increase in difficulty and intensity help the body adjust to demands and lower the chance of injury. With a progressive approach, muscular growth can be accompanied by the strengthening and adaptation of tendons, ligaments, and other supporting tissues. 4. Weight gain. By encouraging muscle growth, creatine can indirectly aid in weight gain. However, the main weight gain linked to creatine is typically caused by water retention in the muscles rather than fat gain, so you'll probably notice a slight increase on the scale primarily from the added water weight rather than actual fat gain. Despite the negative connotations, this can really make your muscles appear and feel fuller. Your diet provides around half of the creatine your body needs, particularly protein-rich meals like red meat, seafood, animal milk. The other half is naturally produced by your pancreas, kidneys, and liver. They provide your skeletal muscles with around 95% of the creatine needed for exercise. Your brain, heart, and other tissues receive the remainder. Supplements containing creatine are also manufactured. Because they exercise frequently or don't consume enough creatine in their diet, some people use creatine supplements. Supplemental creatine comes in the form of powders, capsules, tablets, energy bars. Numerous people can safely consume creatine supplements according to studies. To make sure creatine is safe for you, see a healthcare professional before using it. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.